Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope you are doing well, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful floor lamp. So I found this expensive lamp online and decided to build the same myself. So let's get started. Here's my wood. I really like recycling wood because it helps me save money on woodworking projects. So now I'm gonna cut the wood to size, then I'll give you all the measurements after I'm done. We're gonna start with the base, and it's now ready to be put together. The first two pieces, they measure 12 by 2 inches. The second one, they measure 10 by 12 inches. I made a hole here for the cable, yeah, and the last piece, it measures 12 by 12 inches, and also it has a small hole at the center. So this is how I make my base. I arrange the pieces down, and then I'll be using a tape to hold them in place. And this is how the base looks like. Now we're gonna make the stand. The measurements are 6 by 6 inches, 2 pieces 46 by 6 inches, 2 pieces 46 by 4 inches. And now guys, this is my stand. I'll go ahead and cover the bottom part with 6 by 6 inches wood piece. So at this point, you will take your base, mark measurements at 3 inches both sides, take your ruler and trace visible lines before attaching the stand to the base. And then now I'm gonna use a drill bit to extend the hole to the stand. I'm gonna glue down these subway mirror tiles leftovers from my previous console table project. You can purchase them from Dublin Mirrorland or have them customized for you at your local glass company. So each piece measures 3 by 12 inches. I'm going to glue down these mirrors using Polymax glue. After this, I gave it some minutes to properly dry. I'm gonna cover the base area with these mirror pieces that I cut them to size using a glass cutter. I'm going to reuse these cords that I got from my old lampshades. As you already saw, I drilled holes through my DIY base, and now you want to hide your cords inside stand. So make sure your cords are long enough, longer than your floor lamp. And this is the last piece of wood that will hold the lampshade and the bulb. These are crystal mosaic tiles. You can purchase them from Amazon or AliExpress, and I'm gonna use them to decorate my floor lamp. I also covered the top area with the mosaic tiles, and now my floor lamp is ready. I'm going to place the lampshade right here. And that is it, guys, your very own version of crushed floor lamp. I hope you guys try it. If you do, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with anyone that may find it helpful. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.